It's time for your local Maker Faire. This year's main challenge is to design an obstacle course on an inclined plane. You will release a marble from the top of the ramp and measure the time it takes to exit the ramp at the bottom. Your goal is to have the slowest, continually moving marble. Limited materials will be provided at a cost to help you slow the marble down along its journey. However, the marble cannot stop or you will earn a penalty. The lowest average speed from the top of the ramp to the bottom will be declared the winner. There are some rules. Number 1, if the marble stops, you may nudge it, but it will cost a 5-second deduction from your total time. Number 2, you are allowed a maximum of 3 touches per run. Number 3, all teams will use the same distance, meaning the length of the ramp, for calculating the average speed. Number 4, your team will only have 2 attempts. The lowest average speed will be used to determine the winner. The top 3 teams at last year's fair demonstrated creativity in their design to slow the marble down. As in a pinball machine, think about how you might divert the marble from going straight down the ramp. Good luck with your contest entry and remember to stay within budget.